Hi, my name is Laura Gurley, and this is my kidney dissection. So I'm going to start with the renal capsule, which is the portion that goes all the way around the kidney and protects it and helps maintain its shape. And next is the renal artery, which supplies blood to the kidney, where's my pointer? Is right here. And then we have the renal vein, which drains blood from the kidney, which is next to the artery, there. And then we have the ureter, which instead of draining blood from the kidney, drains urine from the kidney to the bladder. Yeah. And that is right here. And next we have the hilus, which is the depression where the renal artery enters and the renal vein and ureter exit, which is right here where all those parts come in. And then the renal lobe consists of the renal pyramid and its portion of the medulla and the cortex. And it's hard to see in this structure, but it's kind of all of this part, the lighter and darker sections. And then the renal lobe is inside of the renal pyramids is part of the renal lobes. And then the renal papillae is where's that? I lost it. Oh, it's the inner part of the renal pyramid where the tubules empty urine. And then the renal column is the tissue in between the renal pyramids. And then the renal pelvis is the large internal chamber that collects urine. And it is it's these white portions in here. Right in there.